this line by using Hold key. Now, hold Ctrl plus continues press D, for copy more, of same distance. Make total 7 line. Group all line. Copy at 120 degree. Select horizontal, then copy again. Select all line, then press Shift plus M. Select any solid color, without white. Now, draw like me, carefully. Don't be hurry. Draw it slowly. Cause, accuracy is the main priority of any design. P done. Let's make it PA. C. PA, also done. Now, zoom it, as you need, then ensure that you make it perfectly. I mean, you draw a line completely fill up. Select Magic Wand tool by pressing slash. Click on any line, then press deleted. Done. It's complete a logo as PA. After checked all, export it at higher resolution. If you don't know how to save any project at higher resolution, then follow my next all steps. By rotated at 180 degree, you can use it also as VC logo.